Hey there, Tim here, and I want to talk to you about how to grow your coaching business this year to making $100,000 in revenue. Now, I'm an online coach, and I've been an online coach for the past 5 years, and part of what I do is I teach other online coaches who are new and starting out in multiple different niches and categories of work how to find clients and take their business from wherever it is now to making over $100,000 a year. And not everyone does exactly $100,000, but $5,000 to $10,000 per month, which is something that is very, very attainable. Something that we do in our coaching business. Every month we make more than $10,000, and I want to teach you how you can do the exact same thing. Okay, so there's 5 sort of secrets that I'm going to give you here that are going to really help you execute this year and build your coaching business to a really, really consistent and solid level. And it's really important you take notes on this, because what I'm about to give you here is really free coaching that I've gotten from my mentor, stuff that I've learned in the past few years that's helped me take my business from, making $2,000 a month, $3,000 a month to actually making more than $10K a month consistently. Okay, so here's what I'm going to tell you. Number 1 is you want to build a diamond level offer, and that's super, super important. Your diamond level offer is essentially an offer that's so good that people just have to be a part of it. It's an offer that's really based on your heart, that's based on your feelings, it's based on what you want to provide to the world and how you want to help people. It's an offer that's based on, what you have within you to give to others. Now, for a lot of people, their offer tends to be just a generic get some coaching with me, or it tends to be sort of, hop on our program, and they focus a lot on the name of the program. They focus on their, their high level mentorship, their, passionate growth mentorship, and there's some cool name that they have, but the offer itself isn't really built out. So what you need to be doing is focusing on building out an offer that's so good that people can't actually resist joining. Now, this is something that's very easy to do, and it's what we call building out projects. So what you do is you have an overall theme of your offer, and then under that theme, you make 3 projects that are part of the 3 pillars of your offer. So in our offer, for example, what we have is that you need to have a sales system, you need to have confidence, you need to have brand strength. That's how you run a successful business. And then with each of those different pillars that we have 3 projects that are part of each pillar. So we have 9 projects, and then we build modules for this program. And this offer, we have benefits that are attached to each module, right? Each benefit that we have comes with a specific result. So let's say in our program, you build a sales system, and as part of building a sales system, you have to learn how to have a strong frame when you sell, right? The benefit of having a strong frame is people know when they get on a sales call what they're there for, and they're able to buy into what you do more. So that's the purpose of actually having a diamond level offer. It's that when you get on the phone with someone, you're aware of and you're clear about what you offer, what the benefits are, what the purpose is, and they're more likely to say yes. Number 2 is be ready to receive money. This is huge. So after you build out your offer and you actually have these different projects, again, you have the 3 pillars, then you have the different projects that go with each pillar, and you create modules for your course. After you have that, you need to get ready to receive. One of the biggest, I think, roadblocks that a lot of entrepreneurs have towards earning properly, and I specifically mean coaches, is that they have this intense block towards believing what they can actually charge, right? They don't believe that they can actually charge high amounts of money, and it's not actually high. It's worth it if you do something we call a value audit, but they have problems really saying, I can charge this amount of money, and it's okay that I charge this to my audience. And the reason why a lot of people have this is because their own values around money are kind of off. Their own values around money are not values where, there's money in front of me, there's money that's easily accessible. I can spend money so I can invest in myself and I can learn and grow. And then I can also make money. Many of us as business owners, specifically coaches, we start off wanting to give, and we ignore the money side of things. So in your business, you don't want to ignore the money. You want to be okay receiving what we call high ticket offers or high ticket packages. You want to get paid thousands of dollars for your coaching, and this means you have to be good as a coach. You have to be able to get people results. You have to be fully confident in what you do, but there's nothing wrong with this. So understanding that the offers that you provide people, right? The thing that you have to offer, the money is right in front of you. It's a principle we have in our business called the money is always there. Understanding that the money is always there is so important when it comes to your business, because you have to be ready to receive 100K before you can actually make 100K. Like, you have to set yourself up to be ready to receive it and ready to say, yes, this is okay that I can receive this, right? Understanding how to receive money and be ready for it is extremely important. There's something that I want you to do, and it's a bit of a meditation where I want you to sit and think of the life that you could have if you're helping people on your terms and making the right amount of money, making 100K. How would that make your life different, and how could you help people more because of the money you make? Sit down, go to a place of peace, and meditate while you think on this and see what comes up. But in order to make money, you have to be ready to receive money. You can't just make money out of the blue and not be prepared for it. Of course, you could use luck, but you have to set things up so you can actually make money. That leads into point number 3, which is charge the right amount. I used to make this mistake in my own business. Even in 2019, I was making this mistake where I undercharged. I wasn't charging enough because I thought people simply wouldn't pay it. But once I shifted my perspective and shifted my reality, I started actually charging more because I understood people will pay if I charge this amount and if I provide the value, right? If my offer is a diamond level offer and if I'm ready to receive, I can charge. So now we charge thousands of dollars for our coaching, which is a really good price point, and people always double or triple the investment they made with us. But the price point is worth it. So we're not in scarcity financially in my business. We can afford what we need. I can hire people. I can pay people. And the reason why we do this is because we fundamentally understand what our worth is in our business. We understand that we can charge what we call high ticket coaching. We can charge for high ticket coaching services because what we do is actually worth it. And we fundamentally understand this. So charge the right amount. One thing that will help you, and you may want to take a note on this, is charge what we call recurring revenue. Don't charge a one-time fee. And this is actually a little secret I give my clients, but actually charge monthly. Every month have a certain fee. So I don't ever get in a program and tell someone it's this one fee and that's what you have to pay. Instead, we break it down into smaller bits and I have them pay me over time. I have them pay me a set amount per month. And again, the numbers that you would pay, we would break that down with you on our program. But you can take this and run with it. Don't just charge, one amount of money and say, okay, that's it. I'll get paid $500 for months of coaching. No, charge a recurring fee for what it is that you do. Number 4, find ways to automate. This is super important. In our business, I don't have to do any work chasing people down because our business is automated. In our business, we have several systems set up, and this leads into my next point, but I'll stay here first. I have several systems set up that help me automate how I connect with people. So I don't have to chase people down. I don't have to rush to find people because I have systems set up. We have videos here. We have an application we use called Calendly where my clients can book with me without me having to schedule and look at my calendar and make appointments, right? So I have things set up where everything in my business is automated. If someone wants to talk to me, they just go on my Calendly, they book a session with me, there they've got it, right? I have everything automated in my business, and the reason why it's automated is specifically so that people can reach out to me effortlessly, but at the same time, I can spend time working on my business, not just working in my business, right? I want to work on my business, which is how I build my business, how I go to 100K, how I break past the 6K, the 5K barrier, the 3K barrier, how I break into $8,000, $10,000. The way that we do this is by charging the right amounts, but not just charging the right amount. It's also by putting systems in place that are going to help automate everything. So even my emails, I don't have to write emails every day because I have automations. I have posts that are scheduled. I have things that are scheduled to go out in my Facebook group. I have a lot of stuff scheduled and already going out automatically so that I don't have to think about it. The less time I think about what to do, the more I can give to my audience and the bigger impact that I can make. Number 5, and this is the last principle I'm going to give to you, is build a sales funnel. I'm going to explain to you how you can do this in a second, but I just want to tell you, if you're really learning from this video and these tips are things that you think can help you actually go to 6 figures in 2021, go ahead and press the subscribe button below, because it'll really be awesome if you can really learn from me going forward, and you can get a lot of this free coaching completely for free here on YouTube. So go ahead and press the subscribe button. I think it'll help you a lot if you join the work that we're doing. So build a sales funnel. There's something called funnels, and a funnel is a step-by-step roadmap where people go from not knowing you to actually buying from you. It really helps to have a funnel in your business, and you can build an ethical sales funnel as well. But it helps when you build a funnel that people can actually follow and people can actually pay attention to and like go down this path and end up buying for you. The way our funnels look, the way you can build a basic funnel, I'm gonna tell it to you right here, so listen up. Number one, have something for free where you collect an email. That's number one. Give out a free something, whether it's an ebook or a special audio or a special exclusive podcast episode or some kind of free training, but give something for free that people can get in their inbox, or they download it or they watch it and you get their email. After you do that, the next thing is to have them watch some kind of training or to join some kind of group. So our funnel is you get our free training and then you can have the option to book a call, or you have the option to join our Facebook community, right? So join the Facebook community, have them go to the next step. From that next step, once they get into your community, then they need to be directed to where they can have a call with you. So the next step would be getting a call. If you're qualified, we'll have a call and we'll see what's next for you in your business this year, right? That's the funnel. And then from there, they have the call, and the call is a sales call where they can end up doing long-term work with you and change their lives for whatever it is that you offer. Build a sales funnel. This year is the year for you to actually build your first funnel. This doesn't mean you have to invest in ClickFunnels or Kajabi or lead pages. Those things can help, by the way, but you don't have to necessarily do that. We have ours in Kajabi and ClickFunnels, but you can build a funnel that's going to really help people buy into what you do and actually care about what you do and follow this path that you provide them, where you give them value and you charge at the same time. So build a sales funnel. I actually made a video on our YouTube channel. We can maybe put that up at the end of this video, the video that I did called How to Build Your Own Sales Funnel. And I made a teaching with a whole whiteboard and a breakdown on the best sales funnel that I've ever found for coaches and consultants. So if you want to check that out, go ahead. It's on our channel. But I'm going to leave you guys there. Check out the free training that I did below. I actually made a masterclass video breaking down exactly how you can earn $5,000 to $10,000 a month as an online coach or a consultant. It's really, really helpful. And I give you my 4 steps to doing that even this year. Beyond what I taught here, it goes really, really deep, and I actually do a full coaching session on it. So if you want to check that, the link is down below. Otherwise, subscribe and have a beautiful, beautiful day. I'll see you on the next one.